Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG washer UE error code in 2026. So this UE code appears when the washer cannot evenly distribute the load after multiple attempts. So if you see the lowercase UE, it means that the minor imbalance and auto correcting is the reason. But if you see this uppercase UE, it means that the spin failed due to serious imbalance. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to rebuild the load pattern. So take everything out and place the items evenly in the layers around the drum. Avoid putting heavy items on one side. And this particular step is going to improve how the washer senses weight. After that, mixing heavy or very heavy fabrics causes uneven distribution. So you need to separate the loads like towels and lightweight clothes or balance them properly before starting. Now you need to place your hand on the top of the washer and press. If it rocks or if it moves, the machine is not level. So in that case, you just have to adjust the legs until it sits completely stable. Now after adjusting the load, you need to run a rinse and spin cycle, and this is going to help the washer rebalance and also complete spin without restarting everything. So you can try these method and see if your UE error code is gone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.